my channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up? It's Fox like Karma the Feaux, cameo the done, yada dum dada, however you want to know me. It is your girl, and as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing an unboxing haul. Now, disclaimer, this probably really isn't like an unboxing because I already opened some of the, not even some, I opened all of the boxes already because I kind of just been ordering things and it's kind of just been sitting around. Let's get right into it. If you would like to see what I got in today's haul, keep on watching. So we're first going to start with the e.l.f. So this is the box that it came in, just this cute pink box inside. Ooh, girl, here's what she looks like in the inside. I like the pink and how they put these cute little brown strings in there. I've been hearing a lot of talk about the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, and I definitely wanted to grab this and try it out. So you guys, I will be doing a video on this. Stay tuned. I've got two of the e.l.f. putty blushes. You guys, I've also been hearing a lot of people rave about these, so I definitely want to make sure I try them out. I got two, and this is in the shade Fiji, and this is also in the shade Caribbean. This is just a plum, and this is this beautiful orange shade, and I really want to try this one for sure. Got the stipple travel brush right here, so when I do my review on the blushes, you guys, I'm going to be using this brush. You guys definitely stay tuned. I will be doing a review on the putty blushes and the CC cream. Then I also got the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. I just got a few things from there. This collection came out like in the summer of 2020. Haven't really heard much about it, but I do have the retro palette, so I wanted to just go ahead and get the rest of these to complete it. I got two of the glosses. This is Tropical Fruit Punch and Strawberry Daiquiri, and then I got the Glow Up Body Oil. This is in the shade Golden Hour, and then I have the primer Glow Oil right here. Yeah, that is everything that I got from e.l.f. Next, we are going to be doing Morphe.
Hi you guys. Okay, so it was after the first segment that when I realized I was recording in the wrong settings. So here I just wanted to add this clip to let you guys know that I had to kind of fix my settings. And so yeah, I
wanted to try more of the things in the Morphe 2 collection. I thought the Hint skin tint was so beautiful, and also it was a little bit too dark. If you guys have checked out that video, or if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So like I promised in that video, if I really love the Hint skin tint, I was going to double back and get the shade that was more closer to my skin tone to where I could mix. I got the Morphe 2 Hint skin tint in a hint of ginger. This isn't actually my skin shade. This is just a lot more golden than a hint of truffle. So I was planning on mixing the two together to where I could get my perfect foundation shade. I will be doing a review on this entire Morphe 2 collection, so you guys also stay tuned for that. And I also picked up the Morphe Lil Pick Me Up 3-in-1 face mist. Lil Pick Me Up. Okay. I also got the lip oil, and this is in the shade Be Kind. I have the two Morphe 2 Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse, and this is in FYP, and this is in Amaze. So the Amaze is like a plum shade, and FYP is this beautiful pink peach shade right here. Those are all of the things that I ordered from Morphe. Also, I wanted to mention, you guys, the wig that I'm wearing. I also got this in the mail literally today, and this is the bag that it came in, and it also came with a few more things. So I got this wig from Amazon. I ordered it yesterday. It literally came this morning, and boom.
Also, because I was backed up on videos, because I wanted to go ahead and make this video, I slapped it on to make this video. However, in the future videos, you guys will see that I plucked it a little bit more, made it look a little bit more real. But definitely check the link because this is a great wig.
If you guys want information on this wig, I'll definitely leave the link to that in the description box below. I am so obsessed with this wig because it is a glueless wig, and you guys, if you don't know by now, I cannot do hair. Okay, I cannot do hair. So having wigs that I don't have to apply any glue or anything on is so important and pivotal to my influencer lifestyle. Next, moving on, I have a few things from Ulta. I went to Ulta today to pick up some stuff. So because I got the Hint Hint Skin Tint collection, I wanted to get a few more things that I didn't get online. And this is the Morphe 2 cleanser. This is the Bubbly Fresh Gel to Foam cleanser. Also, I got another Wonder Cheek and Lip Mousse, and this is in the shade Dream. This was not online. It was sold out, rightfully so. This is a beautiful orange tint shade, and I love it, you guys. I really cannot wait to try it. I love orange blushes. I got 2 concealers from Essence. This is their matte concealers. This is in the shade, one is in the shade Dark Mocha, the other one is in the shade Golden Toffee, a highlight and a contour. These were $3.99 a piece. I just wanted to try these because Essence is a very inexpensive brand, and I didn't realize they had concealers and all of this other stuff. So again, I just wanted to give these a try. So I also got the LA Girl Pro High Definition Primer. This was about $5.99. I only grabbed this because I needed a primer. I didn't necessarily need a primer, but I wanted a primer. And so I just grabbed that one because I never tried it. So I got the Ulta Flush Blush in the shade Retro Rose. This is another deep plum shade. You guys, if you couldn't tell, I really love deep plums and oranges. Last but not least, I got the Morphe Glam Bronze Big Bold Bronzer. This is a huge face and body bronzer. Every time I go into Sephora, oh, this is in the shade Megastar, but every time I go into Ulta, I see this there, and it's always sold out. I'm like, what is this? It's always sold out, but I don't hear girls like really on what is it, YouTube raving about it. So I'm just like, let me see what this is about. So I just want to open it. This is my first time opening it here in front of you guys. This is the box. This is how big the packaging is. Again, this is in Megastar. This is, I'm gonna just flip it over, but this is what it looks like. I hope it's dark enough. I don't know. I'm gonna try this out, and then I'm gonna go back and get another one because I really want one for like contouring. It's almost like, if you guys have seen my Marina Beauty review, it's almost like that sweet brown shade that's in there. So I can't wait to try this. Okay, and that's everything that I got from Ulta. Last but not least, I went to Marshall's. It is not a full shopping day if I do not go to Marshall's, Ross, and TJ Maxx, okay? I have to go to one or the other, or all three, period, okay? Mascara from Marshall's. This was $2, and this is the Eyelust W7 mascara. Gosh, can you guys believe it? Guess what I found? And this is why I always say, like, you just have to go to Marshall's and TJ Maxx specifically for the bigger brands, but I don't really shop at Ross for like makeup or anything like that, but I do a lot of home decor at Ross. But when it comes to like TJ Maxx and Marshall's, you definitely have to go there because you could find a lot of small gems in their beauty section. And with that being said, I ran into the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer. You guys, this is the super size replenishing primer. It's silicone free. Already know I did a review on this entire lunch, so the only thing I didn't have was a primer. And girl, it was $16.99 at Marshall's. This is what it looks like. It's not expired or anything, y'all. I got these lip masks, so I bite my lips pretty heavily. Like, this is a very bad habit I have, so it's important for me to take care of my lips. Your girl need to stop biting her lip before I ruin them. So got these. Also got the under eye patches right here. I get a lot of my skincare from Marshall's and Ulta in Target. And then I also got the Azure 24 karat gold collagen firming face mask. They have 5 masks inside of here for $4.99. I definitely wanted to get this, step up my mask game. Last but not least, I got these makeup wipes right here. These were $3, and I just had to get these because why not? You know, you need makeup wipes. in your collection. Yes, okay you guys, so that is everything that I got in today's haul. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out today's video. Please you guys stay tuned for all of this makeup. I will be doing reviews and first impressions and everything with the makeup that I got from this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Let you breathe.